Magandang oras mga ka-Good News Daily TV. Meron tayong highlights sa nangyayari kanina sa impeachment ni VP Sara sa House of the Senate. Ito ay courtesy video ng House of the Senate. Tungkol ito sa the Vice President tinatawag na confidential fund case. Well, dito merong witness na ginigisa ng prosecution at ng depensa. At ang ano dito napakadelikado para sa BP Sara ay may daladalang 15 boxes of evidences ang prosecution. Kaya nako, ang haba ng mga pagtatanong dito. Kaya ito, shortcut video na to natin kung ano ang highlights kanina. Ito yung pag-iimbestiga ni Lorna Kapunan, attorney ng prosecution ito, sa testigo kontra sa kay BP Sara sa confidential fund. Okay, so ito ang video atin panuurin ng maigi.
Medyo limited ang aking Tagalog or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Ang Counsel for Respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian. Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Irregular. Kasi
Counsel
ang
for
alam ko...
Respondent, you agree? Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor. I agree.
Kasi ang nalaman lang natin the other day is unusual. Ngayon naman, irregular. Hindi
pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary. Hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali, preliminary, Your Honor, preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your Honor,
I think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch. And considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor,
Let
we're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with her
This is the
direct
last question,
counsel
Your
for
Honor.
Respondent. Let's give her some
Okay,
leeway.
I
We
will-
submit.
Unnecessary.
Let's help in translating more accurately.
Yes. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan. Excessive, labis. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam-suklam. Unconscionable. Okay, Mr. Witness. Sa binasa natin, Section 1. Saan, if at all, itong mga binasa ko, saan babagsak itong...
Question, objection, Your Honor. Question calls for a conclusion.
Okay.
In relation to his observation only, not as to the conclusion of law, given that is not a final disposition
We submit.
of the matter at hand.
In relation to your observation and based on the audited documents, will it fall, if any, under any of this enumeration?
Yes, ma'am. Under po the irregular expenditures.
Irregular.
Dahil irregular po siya dahil hindi po siya compliant or hindi po siya hindi po siya compliant with the provisions of the Joint Circular 2015-01, which is an issuance po of the COA, the DBM, the DILG, the GOCC, GCG, and the Department of National Defense, rather.
Okay, and my last question to you, Mr. Witness. Let us go now to paragraph 8.3 of the Joint Circular. And this is being flashed on the screen. For the record, and for better appreciation of this honorable court. Please read paragraph 8.3.
Under item 8.3, failure of the accountable officer to liquidate any public funds for which he is accountable upon demand by any duly authorized officer shall be prima facie evidence that he has put such missing funds or property to personal use and benefit.
So nakalagay dito sa 8.3, you are a lawyer as well, Mr. Witness, apart from an auditor. Ano ang ibig sabihin dito ng prima facie evidence?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng prima facie evidence under 8.3 ay nagkaroon po ng presumption na ginamit yung funds for the personal use and benefit of the accountable officers.
So kung ang accountable officer at masasabi mo ba na ang Vice President at ang and concurrently Secretary of Education, masasabi mo ba na accountable officer ito?
Based on the joint circular po, yes po, kasi under the joint circular, it shall be the responsibilities of the head of agency to oversee the agency-wide use of the confidential fund and to ensure compliance with the requirements of the joint circular. And also, inattest po ni Vice President in her capacity as the Vice President of the Philippines and the Secretary of the DepEd, yung certification ng accountable officers na ginamit yung pondo for their confidential expenses.
Okay. Ngayon, ang confidential fund, sa binasa mo, ang confidential fund ba ay public fund?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung post-audit mo naman, na sinabi mo ay irregular, may discrepancies. Ito ba ay, ang in-audit mo ay liquidation documents ng Vice President?
For the fourth quarter of 2022 until third quarter of 2023 po. Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi mo, based on 8.3, na merong funds na hindi ma-account o walang dokumento na sinamit ang Vice President. Tama? At ang DepEd. Tama?
Pwedeng pa ulit po ng question.
At sinabi mo yesterday at ngayong araw na merong mga pondo na hindi naman confidential funds, ginamit sa confidential funds. Or sinabing ginamit sa confidential funds pero wala naman dokumento. Tama?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading as to dun sa sinabi na wala
Sustained,
namang-
counsel. Kindly reform.
Okay. So you said here that if an accountable officer, pag hindi na-explain ng isang accountable officer ang paggamit ng public funds, kagaya ng confidential funds, meron tinatawag na prima facie evidence. Anong tawag doon? Presumption?
Presumption.
Presumption ng ano?
Under 8.3 po, presumption na yung fund po ay na-convert into personal use or benefit.
Presumption na na-convert for personal use or benefit, applicable dito sa sinabi mo.
Conclusion of law, Your Honor. Calls for conclusion.
Your Honor,
Sustained.
that is...
Your Honor, all these matters are pending still.
Sustained.
Your Honor, please, ang tawag ko lang doon, hindi prima facie evidence. Kung akong tatanungin, scam ito.
Move to strike,
No
Your
further
Honor. Move to
questions.